Hello friends, today I am going to teach you all how to create test using TestMatch. So you can see this is my TestMatch. So you have to find TestMatch in Google and you have to type in build a test. Like here I have typed TestMatch, so you have to click on TestMatch in Google and then you will find this page. In this page you can see build a test. You have to click on this build a test and then you have to name the test. So you can name your test anything with any topic or title. So I am giving it quiz only. So this is quiz. So choose a password. I am keeping easy password like 100. And then I will click in create test. And then here some questions are there. So first one is bookmark this page and write down your password. So adjust setting, add question, publish and distribute, view results. So first we are going to add questions. So you have to click on add questions. After that you have to insert some questions to here. So you can insert any questions in here. So you have to click on this insert question and insert option, and then you will find some multiple choice option, short answer question, fill in the blanks question or matching question. So you have to click any of the option according to your question. So my question is multiple choice and it is many. So first question is registration compulsory for every business enterprise? So here's the question, and now I'm going to give the options. So the first option will be yes, it is mandatory. This is my first option, and the second option will be no, it's it is not mandatory. Here this is our third option, that is I do not know. And the fourth option is none of this. And this one, if you have no options for this number 5 option, so you have to simply erase it and then you have to tick the right one. So here the right one is yes, it is mandatory. So there are many options, so not it will be this one. So yes, it is mandatory is the right answers. And now you can click here for giving any points. So I am giving this question only 1 points. You can give many points to this question. So like this you can insert more questions. To insert one more graph of this, like this is number 1, to create number 2 you have to click on insert and then choose many, you have to click on this, and there your second question will appear. This is your second question. And you have to write this second question. I am not writing because I have already given an example to you. So here you can create test in this test match, and then you can give many questions here, but I am not giving because it is an example. So you can give 1 2 3, and that the test match has the limitation of giving 50 questions, so you cannot give more than 50 questions in test match. So here I have given one question. So to publish, when you are done, means when your question is done to publish, so you have to go to up, and you can see here this is the publish page here written. So I have to click on this publish page, and then you have to ready to publish which, and then you have to click on publish. So here your publish is, your question is ready. So here you have to click. So if you want to see your questions, you have to enter your name, and here is the questions I have made. So this one is answered this, and this one is this. Then you can click to submit, and then this one has no questions, please ignore this, and this one is the correct answer. So here you can give many quizzes to your you can make many quizzes and upload. So to share, you have to click on this, and then you will find sharing options, like you can share in WhatsApp, newsfeed, chats, Gmail, nearby share, save to drive, and many more things. So here you can share it. So that is how you can create quizzes in test modes. So that is for today. Thank you. Bye bye.